Hello my Holochain holders friends, in this video I will show you the Holochain price predictions, what's the price since goes in a Holochain. And a lot of people do a mistake that as you know the continuously falls occur in a Holochain in this period friends. So a lot of people do a mistake at this time they sell his coin in this time friends. So absolutely it's a very big mistake of all Holochain holders. If you are a Holochain holders, so keep watch this video with the end. I will give you a solution and this video are the finding of the Holochain friends. So first of all, before starting this interesting video, if you are new in my channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now and also like this video for my appreciation friends. If you look the price of Holochain at this time friends, so as you can see here the price is about 0.010659 USD dollar is the high price, and the change occur in the Holochain. The last 1 hour change as a negative, the last 1 day change as a negative, the last 1 week change as a negative. Continuously every hour by hour, every day by day falls occur in a Holochain. That is why a lot of people do a mistake that they sell his coin at this time frame. So absolutely it's a really big mistake of all of Holochain holders. So now the last 1 hour price prediction is in negative, negative 1.33%, and the high price is about 0.010883 USD is the high price of Holochain in the last 1 hour phase. That means that they fast down every hour and negative 11.33%. As you can see here, the graph also tells us that continuously fast occur in the Holochain, take a little time for a little time, and after a little jump they again fast down friends. Now let's see for more details the last 1 day price prediction. If you don't subscribe my channel, so please remember to subscribe is very important for all of you friends. Now the last 1 day price prediction is on the screen friends. As you can see here the graph and the chart of the Holochain coin, as you can see here, only and only falls occur in a Holochain in this time friends. And I think this is just the beginning of Holochain. In the future days, so maybe they fast down for a little time friends, and after a little time in the future they again take a jump friends. As you can see here friends, let's do a technical analysis before seeing the result. The change occur in the Holochain is negative 26.13%, and the high price is about 0.015257 USD dollar as the high price of a Holochain at this time friends. Now let's do a technical analysis friends, what's going in the next in a Holochain coin friends. As you can see here friends, I think it's a good news for all Holochain holders. That is our support level and that is our resistance level friends. Sorry, they be yes, it's right friends. As you can see here, fast down for a little time, after a fast take a jump friends, and take a high jump they break the resistance level at this time and take a jump for a little time. After this they again fast down. Now after a little fast they again take a jump friends and take a high jump, same like that. This hit the break the this support this resistance level and take a high jump friends. That's mean that after they continue as future this kind of level, maybe take a jump, after this take a also jump friends. So if they continue this kind of technical analysis, so I think the next move of a chain has to take a jump friends. The chains become positive very soon friends, so don't worry about this fast and don't do this mistake at this time. Don't sell your Holochain coin at this time friends. If you are a holder of Holochain, so please hold your Holochain coin with the last of this month friends. What's your opinion about Holochain? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS channel for more news and updates.